Welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to share you how to install the NATRON in your Linux operating system. So I'm using the UBUNTU Studio operating system. So you can see the UBUNTU 22.4 is and this I'm using the HP laptop. This you can see here, and it has the integrated MAAC script. So how to install NTRON VFX software. So if you want to find can